welcome back to another video. I'm about to do another yearly video. You know, next year I'm going to post again. But I'm doing a house tour today. I did a house tour obviously last time, so you can check that out if you want. It's changed quite a lot since last time. Last time my floors didn't have floors and my stairs didn't have stairs. However, my stairs still don't have stairs. And only one floor now doesn't have a floor. Let me show you guys. It's the only room without a floor. And obviously this is just like the storage room. So it's obviously going to be like a bit messy. But we walk into here. And look guys. Look. It has a fucking floor. But yeah, we have a floor now, which is just, obviously, some people will be like, oh yeah, of course. But like, mate, this used to be just exactly like that out there. And it used to be out there as well. So we've got 2 new floors. However, it's been like that for a while. And the stairs are still the same. And here's me. Fucking, I ain't done biceps in a couple months, so don't judge. Here's the room where I sit down and watch TV all the time. And sometimes do my boxing in here. And we move on to the toilet, where obviously you guys know what happens in the fucking toilet. Interesting there, so I'm literally just going to show a toilet. Like, it's a sliding door. But yeah, I reckon once the floor comes in, I just missed it completely, but once that comes in, I reckon this will be such a sick house, I'm not gonna lie. Show you guys the garden, which is one of my favourite bits, I personally think. Fucking hell, the light and shit out here, isn't it? This is the garden, let me show you guys. The grass hasn't been cut yet, but it will be. Look at this, guys, like, it's so sick. I did my boxing out here, if you guys remember that spot. Let me show you guys the spot that I used to do boxing, right there. Outside toilet never gets used. Just a short video today, simply because it's just a house tour, but I wanted to see if you guys want to see more content. That's why I've made this video, just to see, it's like a test to see if you guys actually want to watch it. If you guys want to see it, I'll fucking make more videos. I'd love to make YouTube videos. It's just a longer form of TikTok, isn't it, really? It's a short video today. This is my house tour. Let me know if I should make more videos, because I'm very interested to get back into YouTube. I just want to see if people want to see it. So this is just a short video to test it out. But yeah, leave a like down below, comment yes if you watch this far, and I'll reply to everyone that does, because that means that you're a legend. This video reaches the 250 likes and I'll make some more videos. That's a sick like goal. I don't think I've hit that before. I'm not sure.